What's up guys, it's me your Geek. So here's the essential phone PH-1, one of the best phone ever. Now let me go to the setting by dropping down the notification menu, click setting, click the system, click the gesture. Yes, so swipe on fingerprint to okay. I'm swiping on the fingerprint scanner at the back, as you can see. Okay, yeah, it's showing me this one. Jump to the camera. I mean to quickly open the camera, press the power button twice. Okay, okay, always. Yeah. Let me do it again. Okay, I need to do it with yeah. This is how you open the camera. Swipe on up on the home button. Okay, this is how you open. I mean, if I swipe like this, I open the I open the window. I mean, for multitasking, and then I swipe again. It open the app drawer, or I can do like this. I need to do a long swipe. It's not that easy in the beginning. It took a lot of time to do like this. I mean, I was just worried with my app drawer. I was just doing like this. It was not coming up. Yeah, like this. And then lift to check the phone. And then yeah, this was the gesture. It was me, Gmail. Subscribe and bye.